Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Adding your iCloud account to Outlook requires a specific approach. You cannot simply select an iCloud option in Outlook's account setup. The correct method is to configure it as an IMAP account. Before you start in Outlook, you must generate an app-specific password from your Apple ID settings online. This is a critical step for security and connectivity. Visit appleid.apple.com, sign in, and navigate to the Security section. Under App-Specific Passwords, click Generate a Password. Copy this new password immediately. Now, open Microsoft Outlook. Go to this File tab, then click Add Account. Enter your full iCloud email address. When Outlook asks, choose its advanced options, and check the box for, Let me set up my account manually. Click Connect. From the next screen, select IMAP. For the incoming mail server, type imap.mail.me.com and use port 993 with ifSSL/TLS encryption. For the outgoing mail server, enter ismtp.mail.me.com and use port 587 with a startles encryption. Your username will be your complete iCloud email address. For the password field, paste the app-specific password you generated earlier, not your regular Apple ID password. Click Connect again. Outlook will then finalize the setup, allowing your iCloud mail to sync. This process ensures your emails, contacts, and calendars are accessible within your Outlook client. Remember that app-specific password is key.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.